Hello basses, we're going to play through the Abandoned Funhouse by Brian Balmages. A couple of things to keep in mind. Make sure we're saving our bow, all right, so that we can sustain during the poco retard, all right, where we slow down there at measure 51, 52, okay? And always making sure that the bow is into the string, because we get the melody quite a bit in this piece. At 25, when we come in with the cellos, one thing that makes this a challenge with the bow is that it's in 3/4. We're so used to playing in 4/4. So when we start this piece here at measure 25, when we first come in playing, balance point, middle of the bow, we should start so that, so we have some bow there at 26. If we start here, we have nowhere to go. But if we start in the middle, maybe even in the middle upper half here, yeah. Planning out our bow so that we have, because we have these quarter notes and then we have the long notes. One exercise actually that you can do is this. The bow crawl. It's getting out to the tip, all right, without making any unintentional accents. And same thing going back. How can you make that up bow? Try to do it fast, so the faster I pull the bow, the less weight I use. I'm really trying to get out there, okay, all right? So I can use the bow crawl in this piece, and I can also make sure I'm starting in the right part of the bow for the different parts of the piece. At the poco retard there, let's see what we need to do. Pretty safe there because in 51 and 52 we have an even number of notes while we're slowing down. All right, here we go. Abandoned Funhouse, starting at 25. Three, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now notice at the end, all right, when we do the retard at the end, I counted subdivisions. This helps me know how to slow down. So if I count starting at 63, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and. Because we have a tendency to not slow down enough, and the subdivisions help with that. And when I do the pits at the end, I make sure, all right, that my finger is ready to play and I'm pulling to the side You know, pizzicato, bowing lanes matter in pizzicato just like they do with the bow, so I can play a lot softer over here, all right, and I can really kind of pull it so that I'm secure about where I'm going to place the pits, all right, there at the end. If I try to play it down here, it's hard to play soft and really play on time, but I can back up here. I don't have to worry about playing too loud, all right. Also, when I come in at measure 56, I'm thinking about my arm weight, all right, and what kind of sound I want to make sure that I come in piano, all right. I'm thinking fast bow speed, all right, not a lot of arm weight, and so that I don't come in like this, too loud, right? At 41, also speaking of bowing lanes, forte. Basses, you can really lead the charge there on changing the dynamic to forte, all right? When you guys get down here, when we get down here, all right, the whole rest of the orchestra will play forte at that point, all right? Thanks.